Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're absolutely fine. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create banner for a YouTube channel. So let's get started. Before watching this video, if you're new to the channel, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified. So this is the great library of these great images of banners which you can edit. So to download this huge library of images for your banner, you can check the description box below. One banner which I liked, which would be suitable for my YouTube channel's banner. So the software I'm going to use here, that is the Photofy toolkit. You can use any other software also. So let me open the application and open the image and enter it. Now let me enter the text and do other stuffs. So now I have completed it. Now click on save. And you can see here the size, so it is matching the size of the image of the YouTube channel. So let me save in this folder. So in this way you can create a banner for your YouTube channel at the perfect size and you can edit it. So hope you like this video. See you next time.